Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by creating a focused workspace. Open the app, pick canvas size and DPI, and set a neutral background so colors read properly. Next, choose a brush. Adjust size, opacity, and smoothing to match your hand. This matters because stroke feel changes results. Once done, enable the Layers panel and add Layer 1 for your rough sketch. Lock the background layer so you don't accidentally paint it. These first steps save time and prevent rework later. You now refine. Create a new layer and trace clean lineart, using zoom and small rotations for steady strokes. This creates crisp edges and preserves the sketch. Then add base colors on separate layers and make clipping masks so your fills stay inside lines. This simplifies edits. After that, apply shading with a soft brush and try layer modes like multiply for shadows and overlay for highlights, because blending modes give depth without extra repainting. Make sure to save versions as you progress. You finish by cleaning and exporting. Tidy layer names, merge visible to create a final file, but keep an editable copy in case you need changes. Export PNG for web and save a layered PSD for future edits. Confirm resolution and color profile so prints and screens match. If you see jagged edges or artifacts, use anti-aliasing, a 0. 5px blur, or refine selection edges. And remember, undo history and layer masks are your recovery tools when something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.